एक डिजीज स्टडी की गई थी 1950s में, आइडेंटिफाई की गई थी, दैट वाज कुरू, एंड कुरू वाज स्टडीड इन Papua New Guinea among a tribe called Fore people. Now, Fore people experienced this disease called Kuru. The Kuru was a disease in which people were dying and their body coordination was completely lost. That means they could not walk, they could not stand, and in many cases they just laugh and they leave their you can say body down itself. So कुरू में लोग ऐसे मर रहे थे. अब उस टाइम पे जब स्टडी हुआ, जो डॉक्टर्स ने स्टडी किया, इट वाज फाउंड दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हु आर डाइंग दे आर रिलेटिव्स. So doctors thought that it is a genetic disorder. Later on, two anthropologists went to the Fore people, and they were Shirley Lindenbaum and Robert Glass. These two people went to the Fore people and they tried to understand the root cause of this disease called Kuru. When they started studying, they found that most of the people who are dying of Kuru are either women and children, and they are related. So they are convinced that there is some connection between the relatives and those who are dying. Then they started exploring their society, and they found that the kinship among the Fore people is not based on biology. That means relatives are not just related to each other by biology, rather those who habitually lives together are relatives. जो पास में रहने लगे वही रिश्तेदार बन गए. That means कोई बायोलॉजी का कनेक्शन नहीं था वहां पे. तो फिर कहां से वो डिजीज आ रही है? Then when they explored further, they found that they have a typical ritual of cannibalism. वो अपने डेड का मीट खाते थे. जो भी डेड होता था, जो भी मर जाता था, उसका वो मीट खाते थे. And those who has consumed the meat of the dead ancestor, they sometimes die in the similar fashion. That means there must be something in the meat. And then investigations took place, and it was found that it was because of a defective infectious protein found in the flesh of men that causes this neurodegenerative disorder called Kuru. So इस disease का proper diagnosis कैसे हो पाया? When anthropologists went to the field, they did the field work, they tried to understand their kinship as well as the disease. That means सिर्फ एक लॉजिक से काम नहीं चलता. एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट को सारे लॉजिक एक साथ यूज करने पड़े. उन्होंने उनकी सोशियो कल्चरल स्टडी की और उन्होंने उनकी बायोलॉजिकल स्टडी भी की, एंड देन दे आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड that why this disease was there. So this is how anthropologists try to diagnose a particular disease. So they aid medicine, they aid the medical sciences in that manner.